Welcome to Victoria Falls World Challenge Pigeon Race. Today we're going to do a tutorial on our app. If you have an Android device, you can search for our app in the Google Play Store. If you have an Apple device, you can search for our app in the App Store. In each of these stores, you can search Victoria Falls World Challenge Pigeon Race or the acronym VFWCPR. Look for our logo associated to the app as seen in the top of the list here. Find the button that says Install and tap on this. This will automatically download the app onto your phone. Once the download is complete, you will see, as indicated on the screen now, an option to open the app. Alternatively, go back to the main screen and find the logo of the app. Tap on the app and it will open the login screen. For this, you will need a username and password for your personal account. To get your login details, you will need to contact our admin team. Details you will be able to see at the end of the video. In the spaces provided, enter your username and then your password and tap Login. This will bring you to our main page of the app. There are 6 features that our app allows you to interact with. The first one is My Pigeons. In this section, you will be able to see all the birds registered under your account. As you scroll through your pigeons on the right hand side, you can see the varying statuses of pigeons. For example, missing, deceased, activated, reserve, and unpaid birds, and so on. You can also use the search function to look for a specific bird that you are looking for to view its status. The next function we'll look at is your account. This is the financial side of your account, and it will indicate 3 main areas: main account, bonus race account, free entries current, free entries next year. To top up funds on your account, simply tap on the top up button. This will redirect you to our website where you can make a payment to top up your account. To view transactions or a mini statement, click on the account you would like to view. This will give you a list of all the transactions you have made in the statement provided. The next function we would like to look at is the notification section. Our app is able to send notifications for various up-and-coming events, status changes, liberation times, and so on. You can decide what notifications you would like to get. So simply tap on Settings. You can either switch off all notifications, or you can select individual notifications that you would like to receive. For example, pigeon status, first bird's arrival, news articles that we release, own bird's arrival, or up-and-coming events. The next feature we'll look at is bonus races. In here, you will be able to see the top results in all bonus races. Top country, top fancier, top pigeon by result, top pigeon by value. Under upcoming races, you can find any races that have been loaded. Simply tap on the next race available. In here, you'll be able to see your birds listed with 2 options: global and your specific country. If you then scroll down further, you will find your next bird. Once you have decided on the bonus races you would like to enter, simply tap on the Select button on the right hand side of the race. Once you have made your selection or selections, you can tap on the Submit Entries at the top. This will automatically enter you into the bonus races selected. To view the bonus races you have entered, tap on Pending Entries. In here you'll see listed everything you are entered in. If you are unhappy with the selection, you can simply reverse your entry by tapping on the Delete button. This will automatically refund you. Under Entry History, you can see all the bonus races that you have entered in the past. Under Previous Races, you can see all races that have happened throughout the season. To see details of a specific bonus race and the winners, simply tap on the one you would like to view. This will give you all the details of the bonus race, including the odds and who won. The next feature is All Results. In here you can see the results of all the training flights and races that have happened thus far this season. Simply tap on the race you're interested in. You'll see the results of the birds in order of arrival. You can also use the search function to see the result of a specific bird you are looking for. The last feature of our app is Latest News. In here you will be able to see all news articles and notifications that the race has sent out through the season. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this app can make your interaction with our race a lot easier.